All right, welcome back and Assalamu alaikum. Very good evening. It's 5th of September 2022. Today's session is going to be a very interesting one because I believe it can solve all the issues that people face in the world of financial trading. Today we are going to talk about the robot. If you remember in the past, I taught you something called an infinite money trading strategy where we take our funds. Let us say I have $1,000, مثلا. Okay, let me just increase the size of the font. I have $1,000, and what I could do, because I know the market is not going to go to zero, so maybe what I do, I like divide this $1,000 into different parts. Maybe I divide it by 20 parts. If I divide it by 20 parts, it means I can trade $50 20 times. $50 20 times. Okay. What's the another best part about this? $50 is actually 5% of my trading capital, right? Okay. Now, because I know any cryptocurrency, any digital cryptocurrency that is valuable, that is right, it's original, it's well known, it's famous, it's not going to go to zero. So what I can do, let's say there's now a coin of $10,000. The price of the coin is $10,000. 5% of 10,000 is what? $500. So what I can do, I can put my $50 every 5% at the fall of the coin. I can do like this every five. This way, what is happening? I'm trading purely on cash. I'm not at the risk. If a coin it wants to kick me out, it has to go 100% down in value, and that really doesn't happen in good cryptocurrencies. They do fall 40%, 60%, 70%. But let us say when they fall 70%, they also rise back up by 35 or 40%, you know? And it's again the game of cycles. So you don't get kicked out. But the problem is maybe if you were buying at the top, so you might be stuck over here, but because you're not using all your money, you divide your money in portions. You know, you are having fun, you're enjoying, and you're benefiting from the small movements that are happening within that trading product. It can be any cryptocurrency, it can be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, pound dollar, NASDAQ, oil, whatever it is. But the crypto markets are faster and it's very hard. It's almost impossible to make your account go to zero. That's the best part of the cryptocurrency. Now, in infinite money strategy, you put buy limit orders at the bottom. When you put a buy limit order, you'll take its profit here, then you will take its profit here, and it's very difficult to be in front of the computer all the time. You have to wait, and maybe if you are waiting for it to go to this next level, maybe you're busy at work, you're sleeping, you're cooking, you're outside, you're having a meeting, you can't do all of this stuff, right? Now this whole issue is solved by the robot. Welcome to the Pionex trading platform where magic happens, and it looks like maybe exaggerated or a Disney movie scene, but that's how it is. Pionex is an amazing platform. It's not that famous, but it is getting famous slowly. Now, when someone asks if Pionex is really safe, keep in mind Pionex, they take their liquidity, they take their price feed from Binance, Huobi, and other leading financial exchanges that have a strong name in their company. What do I mean by liquidity? Let's say I'm Hassan, I want to start a company. I have a system, but I don't really have the money in the backup to keep some cryptocurrency so people can buy and trade into them. So what I do, I sign a contract and I pay a fee, a commission to people who already have these coins. They have the liquidity, they have the funds. My platform's master account will be connected to them. This way I don't have to worry about it. That's how Pionex operates. With Pionex, it is a trading platform just like Binance, but it is importantly most famous for uh, trading with the robot. Now I'm going to log into this trading account. Now the most important thing is, how do you send money to Pionex trading bot? I will teach you that. But let's sign in first. I'm going to grab my mobile phone and I'm going to log in using my mobile phone using the authenticator or QR scan code. So give me a moment.
Send the
Okay.
link on the chat.
The link is in the group.
We are looking from the laptop.
Ah, you want the link? Okay, just give me a moment, please. I'll give you the link. You want in the Chisma?
Chat.
Okay, have now. I'm sending you now. Let's go to the chat box. Here you go. I sent you the link. Okay, great. Confirm. Now, here we are in the Finex trading platform. We are logging in. Okay. Now, Finex trading platform, it has lot of robots, but the thing that's more interesting, more successful, more good in performing is the Finex grid trading robot. You go to trade, you click here on the trade section, and after that you see on the right hand side you have something called trading bots here. Okay, you have trading bots. There are multiple trading bots here, but the one that's based on my manual trading strategy is this one, the grid trading bot, the one on the top. Okay, now what you do, first of all, you should have money. I will teach you how to transfer money here and how to deposit money. Okay, you go to grid trading bot. Let us suppose I'll choose a coin here. I can change from here. For example, Ethereum, okay, or Ripple. Ripple stands for XRP USDT. Okay, XRP USDT. Here. Now you can see the platform is exactly very much similar to Binance trading platform, right? Here you have the charting area. You have nothing to do with this. Here you have something called market orders book where people are buying and selling, and you can see that. Down here, you will have the trading robot that is running. Here is the trading robot. And the right hand side, here you choose the robot you want and the symbol you want, and you can create and launch your robot. Keep in mind, the robot is on the server. So if you lose internet connection, if you shut down your computer, nothing's going to happen. It's going to keep on running. It will be working 24 hours and printing money for you. So here, again, the steps. You choose trading robot, then you go here to grid robot and click on create. So I click on create. Okay. Here it is showing me. Now you have two important options here. Number one, the robot has something called artificial intelligence. As per the artificial intelligence system, it can use a 7 days data or 30 days data or 80 days data, and it will give you a prediction how this robot could have performed. Okay, now this is just an estimation. Let's say now 30 days is selected by default. Okay, so here it says based on 30 days back test, suitable for running for 30 to 50 days. Almost it is yielding 3.5% a month or 43% a year. Maximum, if the market goes against you as per the 30 days data, it would go only by 5.4%. The volatility means strong movements. The Ripple, it moves up and down 47% from its current market price. It can go 47% up, it can come 47% down. Okay, this one, I hope until here it's clear, because the next part, this is what matters. Price range. Price range means that the robot is going to place your buy orders from 0.28381 until 0.38759. Let me show you what it means. Here, I click on daily just to make an understanding with you. Here I draw the lines. I go and I write 0.28381. 0.28381. Let's make the color mumkin yellow shwaya here, and we're gonna hit the OK button. Then the second line, it says 0.38759. This one, 0.38759. Okay, here. oops, 0.38759 style. You click on what's happening here. Okay. For some reason, it's acting stupid. We'll give it a last try. 38759. Here. Okay. So within this range, the robot will start trading. Okay. But within the same range, what it will do, it will place 51 trades of equal size. 51 trades. يعني عندك مثلا $1000. Okay. It will divide 1000 by 51, which would be like $19.6 per trade. Okay. $19.6 per trade. So it's going to place trades with equal fasla everywhere, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will do 51. Okay. And within this, whenever it hits buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell, it will automatically buy, it will automatically sell. If it comes down, it will automatically buy. If it goes up, it will automatically sell. I will show you my robot also in some time. But this setting, as per the artificial intelligence, it is only as per using 30 days data. If you use 7 days data, it is showing 33.7. If you use 180 days, it will show you 18.8% per annum. But this can always change. And if you think you can do a better and stronger analysis, what you can do instead of using this, you can go to manual. You can go to manual and from, sorry, here in trading bot, oops, you go to create. This is use AI strategy, right? If you don't trust the settings, you can go to customize and you can set your own lower limit and upper limit. And you can define how many trades you wanted to place. There's a limit. You can place for 100 limits. Maximum is 250, depending on the capital that you have. Okay. Important point, very important point. If you're doing manual, you go here and expand. Okay. You leave this all empty. The grid mode here, that's written here, grid mode, always choose arithmetic. No need
ماما
to, no need
وانت
to
ماسك
know
الموبايل
why geometric or arithmetic.
ماسك
Just
الموبايل
arithmetic.
هو مش عينيك يا ماما
Then
ماشي خليكي معاه كملي
investment, it will be USDT only. Just hit on create and the robot will be here. Now let me show you how
انا
mine
العيال
looks
الصغيره
here. This is my robot. It's my grid trading robot. It's trading on Zcash. It's on the Zcash chart. I invested $750. My current profit is minus 56. It's really good. It's very nice. And I'll tell you why. Today's profit is minus $7, but that's not true. Now here, I'll expand my chart. This is Zcash. I'll go to 15 minutes, for example. You see all these green lines, it always buys on those green lines when it drops. Let me get a drawing tool. Let's say all these green lines, it is buying when it falls, and at each and every green line that is up, it was before red, it is selling, 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 selling. When it comes down, it buys, 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 and it keeps selling at each and every level. So the robot, it doesn't get tired. We get tired, but it is buying and selling. It is buying and selling. So this is how the chart looks like. And here is the area. If you put the robot from the eye here, you can hide the lines or you can make them disappear. But that's how the robot is. But me, I have set the levels from 50 to 95. So far, only between 74 to 54, in between $20, my trades have been filled. Yani, this one upstairs, before I was making money, it went up here and I was just buying, buying, buying for many days, 2 weeks, I made money. Then it dropped and I was happy with the drop because I'm not investing all my money. Then when it dropped here, look, this was the drop. When it went back up, this whole area that it went up, I made money on it. Okay. So I made money on it. Then it dropped again. When it dropped again, I went up. I made my money again here. Again, when it dropped here, it opened new trades. I'm losing here, but it's just the matter of time. But the thing is, every day, fee flows. Every day, it's making me an income. Every day, it's doing something. This market cycles, this craziness, this happening, it would hardly last for 45 days, 1 month to 60 months. Eventually it restores, again it falls, then again after 1.5, 6 months, it goes 1.5 to 2 months, it goes up. That's how the robot works. It keeps on trading. In my opinion, the best thing to do is, I have 250 grids here. How can you know that? Let's shrink the chart and we go here on detail. We click here on detail. Now this will give you the diameters or all the parameters of my robot. This was the performance. It's showing in the graph. This is the zero line, just how we have in MACD. But this area, this whole movement, this is all money being made. This is all money being made. This is all money being made, you know? And when the market recovers, it goes up. I would be in different and crazy profits. Right now, as per the current trades, I'm almost today up by $11. This is my today's grid profit. Okay, but this one is coming because of the losing positions from the top, and it will restore. This is my price range, which was the wrong thing to do. It was fine. I took a extra conservative and defensive approach. I made a grid from 50 to 96. It should have been 50 to 85 only, and the results would be crazy. Now the question is, let's say you don't know how to do the settings, right? Maybe you don't believe it or you want confirmation. I can give you my parameters. These are my parameters. I can share them. I can just share, download this picture. I can send it to you. If you installed Pionix on your phone, you just click on it. Your robot will be set up in the same way that I have. My lower limit is 50, upper is 96. The total number of trades in the middle between 50 to 96 are 250. Profit per quantity per grid is 0.04, and take profit levels are also there, etc., etc. I'm making each grid, I'm making 0.16%. Each grid, each level, I'm making 0.16%. It's crazy return. Who gives 0.16% on each trade nowadays? It's really difficult, you know. Banks are hardly giving you 7-8%, real estate hardly 6%. Here, it's possible to make 600 to 200% in a short amount of time, or even annual return. It's something cool. Of course, financial trading is risky. It's estimated, it's approximated, but people have been using it and they've been making money. I also moved $750 here. I have on other places as well in different accounts, but this is just to show as to the students, so that not everyone can invest huge amounts. So I don't want people to be demotivated or discouraged, you know. So this is how the robot works, and it's easy, simple, plug and play. Sometimes markets are very generous, they are grateful. Sometimes you would make 5%, 21%. Sometimes you would be stuck and doing nothing. It's part of the game and market cycles. That's how to set up the robot and how to execute and operate it. It's set and forget. Now the question is how to send money here. Once you finish your KYC, you verify your account, okay, you can buy crypto using your credit card, and that's it. It will be in your trading wallet. Then what you can do, let us say you have $1,000 or $2,000 in your trading account. You don't really have to go for Zcash, you know. You can go for other coins. You can, like, if you have, let's say, $2,000, maybe $500 you can get on 4 different cryptocurrencies. You get my point? You can even do that. Now let me show you. You have to evaluate good cryptocurrencies sometimes. Let's say now this is Zcash. If I go to create, if I want, I can put another robot on top of this. It's possible. You see here, the grid robot, if I put on 7 days using artificial intelligence, it will make for me 44% a year. It's approximated. If I put in 30 days, it can make 108% per year. If I put for 180 days, it would maybe make 21.96% in a year. Here it's showing number of grids that it will place. Here it's just placing few. Here it's putting 126, etc., etc. So the point is, you know, making money the right way and easy way. Of course, it is an emotional roller coaster, but here the robot handles everything for me. I don't really have to be available here. Now, if you had money in Binance, Mathalan, okay, you have in Binance Exchange, You have USDT there, maybe you bought from there. You can withdraw from there and you can add it to, you copy this address in your Binance withdrawal section and you can تسوي تحويل فلوس and خلاص. Simple, easy, try with small amount and give it a shot. Try. There's nothing here to understand, to be honest. You can always evaluate robot's performance by clicking on trade. Go here, click on detail, and you will know quite decently about it. Parameters, transactions. Now these are the open transactions here. Okay, there are some. It's written to be sold, to be sold, to be sold. Many hundreds of transactions are here. Almost the robot made 1,851, 52, 53. 1,853 transactions were done. You know, it's a lot. Parameters. If I want right now, because I have floating loss and things like this, if I click on release profit, right now it's giving me about around, you can say $7.3, 1%. But of course I don't need it because already there is some. This $11 is floating. It's not closed yet. Okay, so parameters, transactions, placed orders, profit and loss chart. This is the placed orders, and in front of each other there is a selling target also available. So that's it. Robot trading makes life easy. I believe by introducing this session, this webinar, and this website and this product, I delivered my promise. Let's have some questions and answers and let's talk about it. If you have any queries, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Let's go ahead. That's it. It's a short session. Do you have any questions?
I do, but
Yes, please.
how will the website knows about my Binance account if I just logged in or I just sign up?
No,
And this,
باينانس اكونت ما له شغل مع هذا الاكونت. هذا الويب سايت بروحه باينانس بروحه. I'm saying if you have money, it's like sending money from your Gulf bank to your bank الوطني.
يعني هذا مو نفس باينانس.
هو نفس الباينانس بس مو باينانس. It's another, like Gulf Bank is not NBK. NBK is not Gulf Bank, but they're both private banks, صح?
Yes.
This one is also a trading exchange. مثل Binance. Binance is different company. This is different company, but this company especially famous and well known for robot trading.
Okay. But it's very easy to open an account by phone.
لا, your account is open, but it's not verified. If you don't verify, you won't be able to trade.
Okay.
يعني انت لازم تكمل اجراءات تحديث بيانات.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Any other questions? Mr. Ahmed, do you want to ask something?
No, I'm fine.
Do you understand it?
Yes.
Okay. What we can do, our classes are now finished. I would like you to complete the process of KYC verification. And once you all decide to add some funds and you want to trade, we can do again a Zoom webinar, and I will make you a co-host. You can share your screen and I will give you the parameters on which you should invest how much, if it's fine. You want to do it privately because it's private funds, it's individual money. We can do it one-to-one also. I don't mind at all. Okay. All right. So I'll be happy to do that. And let me know. Finish your KYC process. Keep me updated. Your group is going to stay active. And if you have any questions in regards to the course, in regards to the robot, in the same group, Kuwait 102, just tag me and ask me a question and I will answer. Because alhamdulillah, I have more than 1,800 students, but everyone, when they send direct messages, it becomes a disaster. Sometimes I miss the messages or I'm not able to answer them on time. So it's better to post in the group. Afdal. It's not a necessity. Sometimes there's emergency and private question, but better to post trading related questions in that group and I'll get back to you regarding this. Okay.
Okay.
Shall we end our course?
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much. Have fun. Enjoy. The videos are available. All the videos are for you. I've uploaded them in a private link on YouTube channel as well. You have access to those whenever you feel you need any support, you need any help. If it's written, you can mention the WhatsApp. If you need to do a Zoom session, I'm happy to give you all 4 Zoom sessions free of charge. And inshallah, sir khair. Take care, good night, and maasam.